Here's a quick tutorial on how you can delete your Google account. First, you'll want to open your Gmail app. Once on Gmail, tap the profile icon on the top right part of your screen. Tap the Manage Your Google Account button. Once you tapped it, you'll be directed to the Google account settings. Tap the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Here you'll now see the Delete Your Google Account. Tap it and you'll be prompted to type your account password. Once you typed your password, you'll be directed to a page that explains what would happen upon the deletion of your account. Scroll down and select the two boxes on the left side of your screen. Once done, tap the Delete Your Account button. You now deleted your Google account. Like and subscribe if it helped you.